Hey YouTube, what's going on? So in this video I'm going to be showing you my box I have here and what so far I've managed to put together and collect. None of the tools in it are secondhand. Well, I shouldn't say none of them. Most of them I bought brand new. Very little of it was given to me. So I'm going to go ahead and show you the box. So that's my toolbox. It's a Mastercraft Maxim box. I got the top and bottom box. It has a 4-plug power strip right here, and up here it's got a LED light that does work. It's really bright. So there you go. You have my work light. It's rechargeable. I use the charger there. Up here it's just kind of holding some stuff right now, like some change, another set of wrenches. I'd love to get some more of these holders that are for wrenches. All my oil change stuff. This is all Blue Point, except for this is Snap-on, and these are Snap-on for like the new caravans with the 3.6 in it, the Sunfires, BMWs, Mercedes, Toyotas. This one is specifically for Toyota or Lexus. This drawer here just houses my wrenches, which are Mastercraft, which is what most of my tools are. And then I just got a little pry bar right here. I want to get a better set, and a torque wrench that's actually accurate. And here's all my ratchets. I'm missing my 1/4 inch. Bunch of extensions. This is 1 inch to 1/2 inch adapter extensions, another breaker bar, ratchet, and some adapters. These are Mac Tool vice grips. They're actually really nice. They bite really well. This is just my electrical drawer, Snap-on multimeter, Mac Tools brake line flaring kit, some razor blades, electrical tape, whatnot. This is just my collection of pliers. They're also all Mastercraft. I gotta go through this drawer. This is just the drawer I've been throwing stuff I don't know where to put in there. Some of it I can probably get rid of. This is just like a little workbench. So if I'm working on small tedious stuff, like if I'm rebuilding a lawnmower car, I'll set it up on here because it makes it nice and easy. I have this big drawer, which once I get all my socket holders and stuff, I'm going to line them up all in here, which will be nice. This is just all my 1/2 inch drive sockets. I don't have any impact sockets, nor do I have a compressor right now. This is my 3/8 drive stuff. Everything here is Mastercraft except for these inverted torques, I guess you'd call them, from Snap-on. This drawer has my few little stubby wrenches I do have. All my fancy little like Torx bits, Allen bits, screwdriver bits, spark plug sockets, Allen keys. These are just screwdriver bits. These are easy outs for screws. And some Allen keys back there. These are for This bit here is for doing fender flares. I have my air ratchet. I cannot remember the manufacturer. It's really nice to have. It's a Campbell House. I got my Mastercraft air hammer, which this was given to me secondhand. That's nice to have. I got my Ingersoll Rand 1/2 inch impact gun, which I got off the Snap-on truck, as well as my Snap-on die grinder, right angle die grinder. I went to Princess Auto and picked up air tool oil, obviously, and then my air gun for putting air in tires and whatnot. I got that off the Snap-on truck. I just keep rags, bag that came with my Mac Tools vice grips. This is just a drawer of extra wrenches, which would come in handy, or especially if I need to like bend a wrench. I'm not going to bend one of my good ones. I'm just going to bend one of these older ones. This here is my screwdriver drawer. I got all these are Mastercraft. These are precision screwdrivers. And these two are just old ones I had that I threw in here because they're nice to have. Empty drawer. Hammers, all kinds of other stuff. Work light, which doesn't get used often, but it's always nice to have an extra one. And another drawer of stuff I have to go through. This I got off the Snap-on truck. It tells me the torque specs for different vehicles. This is only the 2011 one, but that's fine. Over here I have some rope, another flashlight, these battery C-clamps, just all kinds of different things. I have all kinds of fluids and chemicals over here, like penetrating fluid, brake clean, parts clean, carb cleaner, gear oil, Lucas, all that fun stuff. And over here right now I'm in the midst of cleaning my shop up, my little shop at home that I work out of, and it's my workbench, but as you can see, it just needs to be cleaned up. That's off a lawnmower that I'm working on. This one here, I'm going to make sure it's in tip-top shape and just sell it, make a few bucks. That's my little chair. That's the lawnmower that I've been working on, finding out why it's not running. It's just some extra tires, which are nice for working on lawnmowers to change the oil and whatnot with. Makes it nice and easy to get underneath them. So thanks for watching. Please comment, rate, and subscribe. And if you have any video ideas, please leave them in the comment section below, or you can personal message me.